Every year, more than 50,000 Americans are diagnosed with pancreatic cancer, and most of them had no idea anything was wrong until it was already too late to operate. But deep inside the gland, a single cell can silently mutate, breaking free from its normal growth rules, dividing and multiplying without stopping, building a dense, hard tumor buried behind the stomach where no scan can easily reach it. As the tumor grows, it presses against the bile duct, slowly blocking the flow of bile, which then builds up in the bloodstream. The liver, sensing something is wrong, tries to compensate, but it can only do so much. Meanwhile, the tumor sheds cells directly into the blood, quietly sending scouts to the liver and lungs to establish new colonies before anyone even knows the cancer is there. By the time the pain hits, a deep, gnawing ache that bores through the abdomen straight into the back, the tumor has often already spread far beyond the pancreas, and surgery is no longer possible. So, when doctors do catch it early enough, they perform one of the most complex operations in all of medicine. They carefully separate the head of the pancreas from the surrounding tissue, disconnect it from the small intestine, remove the bile duct and part of the stomach, then meticulously reconnect everything, reattaching the remaining pancreas, the bile duct, and the stomach to a new section of the intestine, rebuilding the entire digestive system from scratch. And when it works, a cancer that silently tried to take everything is stopped, and the body that built itself in secret is quietly dismantled the same way, piece by piece, until nothing remains.